All right, today we have, what we're gonna be packing is, and I've secretly already packed, is the Devtac Ronin helmet. These things are by far the most amazing helmets, actually ballistic helmets, I shouldn't even call them a helmet, that you can get. They're a mask and a helmet in one. Just so unique being able to have that back coverage. Even this panel is ballistic on the back. Same with the top is ballistic, the sides, the cheek pads, and all of it. I think even one of my favorite features is you can pop these off. They're actually little magnets on the back of them and put them back on, and then you can replace them with different parts. And the factory and company that makes these, you can tell the quality. That Japanese quality and that Japanese attention to detail, just amazing. And then you got your little knobs and everything else. Check it out on the website if you want to see more details. Let's get it wrapped up. And we'll tuck this bad boy into the box and get our envelope. The Jolly Ranchers, I think that's a blue raspberry right there. Some quality stuff. If you want drugs, you just need Jolly Ranchers. You don't need actual drugs. Empty card, get the magnet, the stickers, all goes in the envelope, and it all goes in the box. And there we are. Let's get this one sent out, and congratulations on your new Devtac Ronin helmet.